अभी बराबर याद आया हमें, तभी तो मुझे बोले तू सन ऑफ अनदर वुमन. And elders of Gilead said to Jephthah, that is why we have turned again to you now, that you may go with us and fight against the people of Ammon and be our head over all the inhabitants of Gilead. So Jephthah said to the elders of Gilead, if you take me back home to fight against the people of Ammon and the Lord delivers them, shall I be your head? मैं आने के बाद मैं जीता, when the Lord delivers, मैं तुम्हारा हेड बनूंगा. So elders of Gilead said to Jephthah, the Lord will be witness between you and me if we do not do according to our words. Now they made him head and commander. Okay, and then Jephthah spoke all the words before the Lord in Mizpah. Now Jephthah judges. Okay, okay. Okay. इधर देखो क्या हो गया उसके और उसकी डॉटर में, जफ्ता और उसकी डॉटर. देखो ना, when Jephthah came to his house at Mizpah, there was his daughter coming out to meet him with timbrel and dancing.
This is very sad story.
तो
In which word this is?
12:34.
12:34.
हाँ
No, 11:34 minute.
हाँ, 11:34 में वो बोल रहा है कि मेरी डॉटर मेरे पास नाचते आई, timbrel and dancing. She was his only daughter, only child. Besides her, he had no son nor
Read
daughter.
the story again, please.
हाँ. When Jephthah came to his house at Mizpah, there was his daughter coming out to meet him with timbrel and dancing, and she was his only child. Beside her, he had neither son nor daughter. And it came to pass when he saw her, he tore his clothes, and he said, alas, my daughter, you have brought me very low. She were among those who trouble me. For I have given my word to the Lord, and I cannot go back on it. So she said to him, my father, if you have given your word to the Lord, do to me according to what has gone out of your mouth, because the Lord has avenged you of your enemy, the people of Ammon. Then she said to her father, let this thing be done for me. Let me alone for 2 months, that I may go and wander to the mountain and bewail my virginity and friends and I. So he said, go. And he sent her away for 2 months, and she went with her friends, bewailed her virginity on the mountain. And it was so at the end of 2 months that she returned to her father, and he carried out his vow with her which he had been vowed. She knew no man. And it became a custom in Israel that the daughters of Israel went 4 days each year to lament the daughter of Jephthah, Gilead. उसकी वजह से सबको जाना पड़ा रोने के लिए, एक लड़की की वजह से. Then Ephraim is conquered. तो ये सब जज ऑफ Ilbzan, judge of Elon, judge of miraculous birth of Samson. अभी सैमसन की तरह अगेन द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ डिड इविल इन द साइट. तो कितना कॉमन वर्सन है इसमें. एंड द एंजल ऑफ द लॉर्ड अपीयर्ड टू द वुमन. कौन है ये वुमन?
Samson's mother.
नाम नहीं है उसका ना. Indeed now you are barren and have borne no children. You shall conceive and bear a son. Now therefore please be careful not to drink wine or similar drink, not to eat any unclean things. For behold, you shall conceive and bear a son, and no razor shall be upon his head, for the child shall be Nazarite to God from the womb, and he shall begin to deliver Israel out of Philistines. वुमेन उसके हस्बैंड को क्या बोलती है? अ मैन ऑफ गॉड केम टू मी and his countenance